Watch your spacing on the east side. Copy that, moving it slow.
Clear on the left side.
Confirmed. Alignment is green, proceeding with a drop.
Lock it down.
All parameters are within tolerance. The suspension response looks excellent.
Confirmed. We are clear for the next phase.
The overhead tracking shot captures the continuous flow of aluminum through advanced CNC cutting systems. Robotic welders work in perfect coordination with our operators, a methodical assembly process ensuring specialized aluminum body fabrication.
See that spike on the red line? That's the stress on the rear axle.
It's within tolerance, but barely. Keep monitoring the compression data.
Check alignment on section 4, confirm laser lock.
Confirmed. Proceeding with riveting sequence.
Check the lower hinge alignment again. The readout is showing a slight deviation.
Rerunning the diagnostic now. Looks good on this side.
Looks good from here. Consistent spacing confirmed.
The systematic inspection flow begins with dimensional scanning. This is followed by manual verification and
The bus bodies move seamlessly through the automate chambers, undergoing precise cleaning. The application.
This controlled electrochemical process ensures a uniform primer layer, protecting every part of the Man Lion City bus frame.
Gentle air circulation promotes solvent evaporation during this crucial stage of the multi-stage painting process.
Okay, keep it straight.
Rolling it now. Make sure the edge is clean.
Ready for the welding machine.
This connection here matches the schematic. Confirmed. Powering up the circuit now.
Sequence initiated on screen 3.
Acknowledged. The display is fully operational.
All installations verified. Handrails are secure.
Okay, I've logged the final checks on the tablet, ready for sign-off.
Fire extinguisher secured and logged.
Emergency signage applied. System check complete.
Did you secure the trim on the left panel?
Yes, just finished. Moving to the next section now.
Okay, see the crosshairs on the laser grid? We need to center the beam pattern exactly between those markers for the low beam cutoff.
Okay, the calibration is locked in.
Perfect, perfect. Visibility coverage looks optimized across the board.
Pressure holding steady at 50 psi. Leak detection clear.
Final verification complete. We verify the gaps systematically to ensure professional body finishing standards.
Levels are optimal here. I'm signing off on the coolant.
The automated top-off is complete, verifying the final pressure now.
And the differential fluid is clear.
Calibration successful on the powertrain module.
Confirmed. Running full diagnostics now.
Everything checks out. The diagnostics verified the control equipment function.
Excellent. Generating the certification report.
We've completed the full inspection of Unit 7. All parameters verified against the checklist. It is ready for approval.
Injector temperatures are stable. Check.
Affirmative. The break-in cycle is normalizing right on schedule.
Okay, increase the camber slightly on the left rear. Reading 1.8 degrees. Verified. The system confirms optimal alignment.
Circuit verification is green across the board. Look at the CAN bus diagnostics.
Approved. I'm finalizing the documentation now.
Rear axle pressure is stabilizing now.
Good. Final torque applied.
Test complete. Procedure successful.
The vibration peak is localized right here on the heat map.
All right, apply the dampening material and let's rerun the analysis.
The reading is stable here. No intrusion detected. Verified.
I am logging the seal integrity now. Cycle and sensor tests complete. Emergency override is functional. Documentation updated.
The straps are holding firm. Confirm. Adding the data now. The intercom check passed as well.
From the simulated city routes to the high-speed highway segments, the data confirms the Lion City E's stability and efficiency.
Verification complete on the lighting and tires, everything within parameters. Good.
The interior checks are also finalized. We can approve the delivery.
A little more to the left, easy now. Okay, hold it right there. Strap secured.
Receiving facilities confirm readiness. All systems checked and verified. Departure authorized.
All the specs match the order and the inspection is clear.
Great. I'll sign off on the tablet now. Delivery accepted.
So you'll want to activate the kneeling function before the ramp.
And remember, the air filters are accessed through this panel. Check the seal every time.
From the precision of the assembly line to the hands of our professional drivers, the MAN Lion City is built for service.